Alright guys, Tubby Man here, and we are going to Lake Thickety. So let's do this. Alright guys, here we are. Few rules you have to abide by. One of them is not to run over 10 horse, which you will see right here. But let's get in the water and go from there. Alright, so we're out here on the water, and man, I get here and it just starts being windy as crap. So let's head on back here to the back side and see if we can have any luck. I know it's not good in the wind. Let's see what we got back here. Got cows out here today. Now we are on the back side. We're about to go hit these banks over here, but seeing the cows are out, I want to get a little show of them. Hey buddy, how you doing? That grass is good, isn't it? Oh yeah, I got the little babies out here too. Check them out. Cool. Hey bud, how we doing? Yeah, I know you want to ride too. Alright guys, get some water. Alright, so let's get our game plan up. We'll head back over here to these banks, get the trolling motor in, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so not a successful day. I think the wind won today. But, you know, hey, you'll have that sometimes in the fishing world. But this is the other side of Thickety, and it's actually to the left of the boat ramp, which is a little more open, a little more deeper. So I tried my luck over here and just didn't seem to hit anything. Maybe I had the wrong tackle, but I think the wind just made it an impossible day to fish. So I'm going to do one last lap around the backside just to show you. I went to both back sides of the lake, and you know, it's beautiful. It's nice scenery every time you go. So even if you don't catch a fish, you're definitely going to catch a nice scene. And yeah, circle around. Then after this, we'll head back to the boat ramp, and you know, better days, better fish.